Let's make one of my favorite stew. We are preparing fried fish stew. This was very delicious. So I decided to share with you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes and you will love it here. So please subscribe for more videos. Without wasting much of your time, I have with me here my red fish, red snappers, anyhow you will call it. Okay, we are going to clean it very well and then fry it, season it, fry it, and then we proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for always watching my videos. I'm so grateful, and I will take this opportunity to thank you for watching my video from Vlogmas Day 1 till today. Today is 21st. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Okay, yes, now we are done cutting them according to the size. I'm just going to cut any part that I don't want. Okay, the fins, the intestine has been removed already. The fish has basically been washed. Okay, they washed it before, or they cleaned it before I bought it. Yeah, so everything has been removed already. Now after cutting that, I will just wash my fish very well. So I have clean water here. I'm just going to add some lemon juice to it, okay, and then wash it very well. This lemon juice, I bought it at the grocery shop. Okay, yeah, it wasn't lemon, it was the juice that I bought, so that is what I added. If you have the lemon itself, just squeeze some in the water and then use it to clean it. Now I will clean it one by one, because when we talk about red snappers, oh my goodness, it is very fishy. It is a type of fish that I don't actually like, because it is very fishy for me. Yes, very, very fishy. And currently I don't take red snappers because of my personal reason. I may share with you one day, okay, so that you can also learn from it. So after washing it, I put the fish in the salt water for about 15 minutes, and now after 15 minutes I am frying it. I hope you understand. We did not coat the fish with any flour, because we are going to use it for stew, and when I'm using it for soup as well, I do not coat it. Okay, but if I'm going to use it for my banku, kinky, and any other thing, I just have to coat it. Yeah, now I am just going to elevate the flavor. Okay, so I added some ginger, basil, garlic to that, and it is on fire. Whilst that is on fire, I have cleaned my tomatoes very well. I'm removing the seed, and I'll just cut it or chop it, and then we can proceed with the process. I hope you get it. Thank you once again. If you've watched me from the beginning till now, it means you like the video. Can you please like the video for me, and I'll be very happy if you share to others. Extremely happy if you leave me your comment in the comment section, and let me know how you prepare your stew as well in the comment section. If you have any recipe that you want us to try, we are going to do it. If only we can do it, okay, we are going to do it. Or if you want me to bring any recipe, let me know. Now I have with me here my fish. This is how it is looking, okay, and I have not forgotten. If you told me you wanted me to share a recipe with you, I have not forgotten. It will be coming very soon, okay. Yeah, so when I was flipping it, it wasn't working because it wasn't yet time for me to flip it. So do not force it. If you force it, the fish will scatter, okay. Yes, so do not force it. I have detailed recipes on how I fry my fish, so many types of fish, ones that when you see it in the fish market, you can buy them because they taste good. Just go through my channel and then watch my fish recipes. Now after some time, this is how the fish looks like, okay. It is well fried, and at this moment I'm just removing the garlic, onions, the basil. I remove everything. You don't have to discard it, okay. Don't throw them away. You can just blend it and use it for your stew or your shito or anything. Yes, that is just by the way. So our fish is ready. I will remove everything from the oil and then let it sit on the paper towel or anywhere you want it. Since we are coming to use it to prepare stew, you don't have to worry yourself about paper towel. Okay, yeah. Now I have with me here my oil, and I am using grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I've added my onions. Okay, that is blended onions and pepper, ginger, garlic. I will give it a stir, wait for it to fry very well, and at this moment we have started preparing the stew. Very quick one. Okay, you can pair the stew with your rice, yam, bangkong, kenke, anything swallow. So in this case, I've added my tomato based stew. I have the recipe on the channel, please watch it for me. Okay, but it is basically my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, and then some oil. But watch that video for me. Now give it a stir, mix it very well. After some time, I've added my tomatoes. You see that the color of the stew will start changing. Forgive me, I'm cooking outside and it is around 5 something, getting to 6, so it will become very darker. Please pardon me. Okay, I'm so sorry, but that doesn't mean you won't see what I'm preparing, but you may not like the video quality. Okay, I was supposed to bring this video long ago, but the quality getting to the end, that is why I couldn't bring it, but now I decided to bring it. Now it has been on fire for some time and I have introduced my fish, and I'm just going to allow the fish to be in there. The fish was very crispy, so I just have to allow it to be in there for some time. Okay, because someone like my husband do not like crispy fish. Okay, like very dry. Yes, I love it. So it has been in there for some time and it is a bit soft, so I'm just going to introduce my egg. I added egg to it. I added some cow skin to it, and as you can see now, it is very late. Yes, the weather, the sky is clear for you, but trust me, it is very late here, so that is why the color of the video has changed. Now that everything is in, I will taste for salt. I've added my salt, so use any salt or any seasoning that you want to use. I have added my curry powder as well. Make sure you add anything salt to the stew late, okay, so that it will not be salty, because when you add the fish to it, it will release its taste to the stew as well. Now our stew is looking so delicious, but I just want to allow the eggs to absorb some of the stew so that they can also have some nice taste. Our stew is ready, and as I talk to you right now, it is very late. Yes, so it doesn't look clear at all. I am so sorry for bringing you the video like this. Okay, so I come your way next time. All I will say is thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for being with me from Vlogmas Day 1 to today 21st. I will see you in the next upload, and you can't afford to miss it. Bye bye.